Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith. You're watching Barber's Auto Help. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the sliding doors on an '05 Honda Odyssey. Now, this is actually an old video that I made many years ago, and it's helped a lot of people. However, I need to temper your expectations on this. For some people, this may not help you. It may help you temporarily, but you have an underlying problem that's causing your sliding door to go into this mode here where it's not working. And by having it reset, it may work once or twice and then go back to not working again. So that may be the case for some of you. For some others, this may take care of it and you may not have a problem with your sliding doors for a good long time. Now, before you attempt to do this, guys, be sure that your vehicle is parked on a nice level flat surface. Be sure that the vehicle is placed in park, that the ignition is turned off and the key is out of the ignition, and it's also not a bad idea, go ahead and apply the parking brake as well. That being said, let's go ahead and get into the video here. We're going to start it from the beginning. Alrighty folks, today we're going to be resetting the sliding doors, the side sliding doors on an '05 Honda Odyssey. And as you can see, they aren't working. They don't work with the buttons and they don't work with the key fob. So before you go to do this, go ahead and get your owner's manual out and all your information. And you'll find inside that package of stuff there that you'll have this anti-theft identification card. And it'll have some codes on there for your radio. We're going to be disconnecting the number 7 fuse in the fuse panel down by my parking brake there. And when that happens, it's going to put your radio into theft mode, and you have to have that card and that number to reset it after you're done with this. If you don't have a fuse puller, which you should in your under hood fuse compartment here, you can use a set of needle nose pliers to do this, but I've got one in my under hood fuse panel here, and we're just going to lift that up there, and that is our fuse puller, and we're going to use that to pull our number 7 fuse out of the interior fuse panel. So here's your hood release lever here, and then you have your parking brake pedal right here. This is the cover on the fuse panel that we're going to be concerning ourselves with. Just go ahead and pull that straight out, and you'll see on the inside of your fuse panel cover here, you'll have your fuses labeled. We want to pull the number 7 fuse, which is a 7.5 amp fuse, and it says backup, and it's a red fuse, a dark red fuse. All right, this is our fuse right here, the one that looks like it's been pulled out before, because I've had to do this a couple of times. And let's go ahead and pull that fuse out. Okay, let's go ahead and put our fuse back in. You can hear it start beeping again. And to dislodge the holder from the fuse, just squeeze it. Now we're going to have to reset or put the code into our radio, and that's pretty simple. Also, you just take that 4-digit number that you got from your anti-theft card there, and you just type it right in. Hit done, and we're good. Let's give her a go, see what happens. Hey. Well, I certainly hope that this helped somebody. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Also, please read the entire description down below this video before you attempt this or apply any of this knowledge. There may be things I need to clarify, and that's where I do that. Also, please read the disclaimer at the very end of it. And please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.